In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lovable's new visual edit to improve your designs instantly. Let's get started by opening your chosen project or app inside Lovable. From your main workspace, pick the project you want to refine. This puts you right where your real interface lives, so every adjustment is made in context. Working directly on the project view means your decisions are grounded in how users actually experience the layout, spacing, and visual hierarchy, not just how a static mockup looks. Once your project is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the page and click Visual Edits. This switches you into a focused editing mode designed for quick, precise changes. You'll notice that elements on the page become easier to target, and the interface guides your attention to what can be adjusted. The goal here is clarity. Instead of hunting through panels or guessing which component controls what, Visual Edit places the emphasis on the items right in front of you. Now click on any specific element you want to edit. This is the magic of the feature. Rather than editing blindly or waiting for a full refresh, you can single out exactly what needs attention, whether it's a button, a heading, an image, or a card, and work on it in isolation. Targeting a single element helps you change only what matters without disrupting the rest of your design. It also makes comparisons fast because you can evaluate the before and after right where the element lives. A few helpful tips while you work in visual edits. Hover slowly and watch for subtle highlights to ensure you're selecting the intended layer, especially in areas with nested components. Make small incremental changes. Then step back to confirm you haven't shifted the overall balance. Keep accessibility in mind. Verify color contrast for text on backgrounds and consider comfortable font sizes and line spacing. Align elements to established spacing tokens or your design system values to maintain consistency across screens. If you're adjusting imagery, check edge bleed and focal points so important content isn't cropped. And when refining text, prioritize hierarchy. Headlines should guide the eye while supporting copy remains readable and scannable. That's it. Nice work. You've used Lovable's visual edit to quickly identify an element, fine-tune it in place, and validate your decision with immediate visual feedback. By editing directly on the live design surface, you reduce guesswork, avoid accidental ripple effects, and improve quality with fewer iterations. Keep applying this approach across your interface to correct spacing, upgrade typography, and polish components with confidence. Congratulations on your streamlined workflow and sharper designs.